Are you ready to open your present?
Yeah.
Okay. Let's see what you got. You having some trouble? It's going to take you all day to unwrap your presents at Christmas. You're slow.
Yeah, you are.
Almost been a minute. And he's barely gotten it open. Is Mommy good rapper?
Yeah.
Makes it hard.
Rip it open, buddy.
Alright, what'd you get?
Another underwear.
Another underwear? Do you like underwear?
Yes. It's two more. It's two.
2 underwear so far.
Yeah.
1 yesterday and 1 today.
Cool.
Put it on your head.
No.
Put it on your head.
Put it on your head.
No.